So, good day everyone. This is my codes of my system inventory inventory management system of my store located in Santa Catalina. So, admin, this is the tally of my system is that we have backup. This is a codes of backup and ang PC and rules. Ayun, get all rules. Ayun. Then, sidebar of the system. Then, user who can use of the system, mao ni siya ang goods. So, ang asset like kanang item, mao ni siya dinhi ang iyahang folder, iyahang codes. Then let's go to the output. So this is the list of the item, products. Ako ang lead chips. Iyahang brand is potato chips. Ako'y ang iya stock is Canatran. Ako pa na siya effects. Ako'y ang iyang price, unit price is tag 100. Dayon, pwede na ko siya ma-edit, ma-adjust ang stock or ma-delete. And if I add the new product, so pwede ta maka-add og new product. So this is the information of adding of the new product process. So if this complete is like what's calling of this yeah, mo add ta diri og um, Sprite. Then iya barcode is 00444. Product name is Sprite. SKU is this is wrong. SKU niya is Sprite 250 ml. Then yung category, just the category, select category like pwede siya sa bakery. Ayun. Pwede natin siya reibot na sa beverage. Choose soft drinks. Beverage soft drinks. Yung branch is Sprite. Selling is tag 15. Initial stock, pwede na ito ibutang tag 200. Then minimum is 100. Yun. Save. So, this is the result. Product created successfully. So, ang Sprite is na-add siya diri. Then, if wrong ang information, pwede po siya ma-edit or pwede po siya ma-delete if without stock. So, if inventory, diri inventory ang akong store, ang total stock value, muna siya. Then, ang total products, if my items is pila kabuk ako ang product nga stock sa akong store, malist ni siya diri. If my stock is slow stock, pwede na ko siya i-reorder. This is the process of reorder. then place order again. So ato I cancel because my connection is slow. So if my by the way ang ako ang stock if out of stock na ako is of malo ang ako ang stock of 10 below ay 10 below, so pop up siya diri nga low stock alert. If malo stock, I click this reorder. So this is the process of reorder, expected delivery date, and select supplier. This is a category of select supplier, then iyahang quantity if pila ang idungag sa kuan anang item. So i-place order nimo to, then ma-save nimo siya diri. So then if you want to if your relatives or your cooperative, you need to o if ganahan siya mulantaw sa imong product, pwede nimo siya i-export to CSV. Ma-download pa na siya, then mo add to siya sa Excel. I cannot click that because my laptop is gahang. Sorry po. So if you want to reorder this Dove soap, so muna siya ang process sa reorder if my stock is ahudungagan. So if ma-place order ni siya, so mobalik ni siya diri sa kuan, mobalik na siya sa total products niya, yang maximum. So sales, ang sales management, so wala pa nako siya na work, but ako pa ni-improve nga system pod. This is a total sales management and total transaction. So reports. So if I need to report the product of my auntie, so mo ni siya diri ang iya akong rate analytics niya. So that we have a time function po siya. So siya start date ibutang nato siya 1 of June. And ang end date niya is 30 of June. Yun generate report. I think error. See? Error pa siya. I want to improve for this. So this is the inventory management system. So I want to improve of this system because I want to post sa GitHub this activity of this code para may record po ko sa GitHub. So that's all, sir. Thank you.